Good morning, everyone. So, here's my name is Padam Khatri, and I'm from Nepal. Today, I'm talking about the perfectionism. What is the perfectionism? And so many people are in the illusion of perfectionism that there is a perfect time and I will start the work. I think there is no perfect time. There is no right time. The right time is now when you start the second, the hour, every time you wasted. There is no perfect time. You wait until you die. If you die, that day is the perfect time to start. So I say about that something that brutal, honest, and according to my honest, there is no perfect time. If I'm 16 years old now, I say about it is not perfect time to start YouTube, that I don't have a voice like a big people who can watch my videos. That is my only the excuses. Only I wait for the perfect moment and wait for perfectionism when I have a perfect voice and I start the YouTube in the English language. I don't have a good communication skill, but now I make a good communication skill in English. I'm beginner in English, that I don't have anything like excuses, that I have a beginner level English and I don't know that people can understand my English language, or people can understand my communication skill. I don't have any excuses. I can make it better from the feedback. That's if you so I am here to getting your feedback. So I'm now talking about there is no perfect time. People are in the illusion of when I have a perfect time to start, when I have that type of resources, then I start. I don't have any perfect resources, or I don't have any types of perfect device. Like I have a 2 GB RAM mobile and it's a Samsung Galaxy, and I don't have the perfect device to start, but I start because something is better than nothing. I know that it is a great thing that something is better than nothing. If you have something, you have to start from that things, but you have to know what's your needed, what's your goals, that you have to uh, force yourself to start that things. If your goals is to do startups, you have to focus on the building of entrepreneur mindset. If your age doesn't limit anything. Let my age let's say about my age is 16 years and I want to start up. I can start my mindset. I can start building my mindset like that entrepreneur from now. And if my mindset hasn't built, I can start from small things. Not all like that I have a big resources, I have a money, then I start. No, I don't wait for that. I don't wait for the right time to start, right moment to start. I'm here now. I'm here coming to rearing a goat buffalo, but I don't like excuses myself. I'm here to I don't have money and I don't have anything that I can start later, but now it's only my excuses. I excuses myself, not others. And my beliefs, you have to crack your beliefs and go ahead, in your life. Yes, I'm in the beautiful environment here. Yes, I'm come here to rear goat buffaloes. As I'm happy to have I can make videos, that I'm grateful that gratitude myself that I have a this type of mic and camera. That's let it can success to my dream. If nobody sees my videos, that my English is improved every day. I don't show anyone that I make videos and I better my communication is. I don't want to show anyone. If no one sees what I do, I don't care. That I don't care, no one sees, that is okay. I improve my English every day. That I know myself what is my potential and where I can want to be and what I can do. That is my potential. The last things I says about there is no perfect moment and there is no perfect time to start. Something is better than nothing. You have to accept that and start from now to focus and ahead in your goals. And perfectionism, don't wait for it. there is no perfect moment. So thank you for watching my videos. If you have any doubts, comment below.